If you think sound is just background, think again. Beat. Nature's symphony rewires stress into peace. Stay with me for a simple way to tap it. Sound lingers in the amygdala, your emotional switchboard. One tone can stir memory or quiet panic. Low, rolling frequencies trigger your parasympathetic rest switch. Waves can even lower cortisol. Birdsong lifts mood and sharpens focus. Rain blankets noise and invites stillness. Wind resets a restless mind. You don't need a beach. Use trusted apps. A small fountain works wonders. 5 minutes of mindful listening. Close your eyes. Follow the sound. Breathe with it. It's free, ancient, quietly powerful. Turn down the noise. Tune in. Feel better. Gentle beat of silence.